If you're losing trading gold, I have the bot for you guys. Look at it right here. As you guys can see here, we have a trade that just got closed right here. And as you guys can see right here, boom, we just closed it on the actual charts. Now, what you just saw live is Automated Trader feeding the alerts. And keep in mind that this runner was running all day and we just waited for the close to go ahead and start this video. Keep in mind that I'm going to give you all the settings right now that you guys can literally copy right now if you guys have access and start using this as early as today. And this has been printing on the 1 minute chart on the gold charts, okay? And this is something that we have been doing and we've been optimizing, we've been fixing bugs, we've been releasing new features every single day this week so that way we can optimize this moving forward. As you guys can see, we have a 67% win rate on gold and we stayed in this runner all day. And I actually want to go ahead and show you guys a little bit of the profits as well. This is the bot. And we're going to go ahead and look at this because we just closed the trade right now. This is the bot that has been printing for people inside the chat. And if you guys know, the morale is completely up in the chats. I'm officially impressed. I'm in a massive gold runner trade, around 1% profit. Okay. And then we have other people who are trading using these tools right now and profiting, right? And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys really quick what I mean, right? This is the same account that I was running on the live stream. And as you guys can see right here, if I go to history, the last 24 hours, we're up $1,500. I have not touched any single trades. All the trades are firing into Automated Trader. If you guys don't know, Automated Trader is officially released. And once again, if you guys are not part of the family, you guys are going to want to go ahead and join because we are already testing Tradevate. Lifetime members are going to get first access to Tradevate. And this is happening this week, guys, inside the Discord chat. And we have a bunch of things that are actually going to be happening inside the Discord chat. You guys don't even know the half. Okay. Now, one of the things that I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know before I go over anything, you guys can start using these tools right now by going to trustedsignals.com. Once you guys get access, it's going to bring you to this area right here where you guys can claim the TS Hunter. We also have the back end where the videos are going to be posted. Every single video that you guys are watching on this channel are going to be posted directly in here. And then we have a bunch of other things that are going to be releasing inside the dashboard as well very, very soon. Now, when you guys add this to your charts, the first thing and only thing that I really want you guys to do is this. Come to your profit management, all right? And believe it or not, we just got a sell. And as you guys can see here, if I open this and I go here, we're in a sell. And this is live. This is live, okay? I'm making this video for you guys, showing you guys the actual systems. As you guys can see here, this is printing in real time. This is this signal right here. Let's go ahead and zoom in. We stayed in this trade. Every candle is 1 minute. We stayed in this trade for how long? And then as soon as we get out of the trade, now we're entering a sell, which you guys know this is a good sell. Okay, this is a good sell. All right, this is something that is it's doing this hands-free. I can't iterate this enough. Okay, this is hands-free trading at its best. And you guys can go to Trusted Signals right now, get 50% off. I still have, I actually updated the pricing. You guys can see right here, we're a premium product. But if you guys want to go ahead and get access for the next 24 hours, use code FINAL50. And I actually have one link left that's going to be able to go ahead and get access to all of this right here for $499. And I'm going to pin that in the comments. This is trading at its finest, okay? So the setting that I want you guys to really go ahead and change is this. You're going to go ahead and update the risk management. I personally would choose fixed or equity percentage, depending on your account size. If you're using a smaller account, just use equity percentage, and equity percentage is going to go ahead and give you, 1%, 2%, 3% of your actual charts. And then the other thing that I go ahead and change is the profit management. TP1, TP2, TP3. That's the only thing that I literally changed in this specific tool set. And then one thing that you have to do as well to mention is prop mode. Change it from prop mode to live mode. And that's it. You guys are hooked up and you guys are able to go ahead and print. Okay, print. This is live right in front of your face. We have a NAS 100 and a gold. It doesn't get much better than this, guys. We have the best tools on TradingView, hands down. And now we have full automation on Automated Trader. You guys can get access to all these tools that you see printing in front of your face right now by visiting trustedsignals.com. Hit that like button, hit that comment down below, hit that flame. Let me know if you guys watched it this far. If you guys did, there may be something in it for you. Comment down below. All right. Until the next video, guys, I'm out. Peace.